Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Vedic maths. Begin by understanding the core principles and the 16 sutras. These ancient techniques offer a unique approach to arithmetic, making complex calculations much simpler. Focus on grasping the underlying logic of each sutra before moving to practical application. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building proficiency. Next, dive into the 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. Start with fundamental ones, like all from 9 and the last from 10, which simplifies subtraction. Dedicate time to practicing each sutra individually with numerous examples. This repetitive application helps solidify your understanding and build speed. Gradually integrate the sub-sutras to enhance your problem-solving toolkit. Consistent practice is absolutely essential for mastering Vedic maths. Make it a daily habit to solve various arithmetic problems using these techniques. Utilize dedicated textbooks and online platforms that offer a wide range of exercises. Challenge yourself with timed mental calculations to improve both speed and accuracy. Regular application will transform your mathematical abilities significantly. Once you've mastered the basics, explore advanced Vedic maths applications in algebra, geometry, and calculus. Beyond calculation speed, studying Vedic maths significantly enhances concentration and memory. It also cultivates a deeper, more intuitive understanding of numbers and their relationships. This holistic approach to mathematics offers lifelong cognitive benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.